I am so excited for today's video, you guys. We are about to break down the 3 best business models you can start making money with Go High Level today, completely free. So if you've been wondering how does SaaS companies work, how do you grow with Go High Level, how are everybody making money online, lock in, get in a quiet place, and get ready to learn. Step 1 is going to be getting your free account. So I have a special link below. You're going to click there so you can access Go High Level completely free for 30 days. You cannot run this business without this software. Then you're going to go to start account, put your company name if you have one. If you don't have one, leave it blank, and then all your regular information. Now, if you already have a Go High Level account and after watching this video, you're ready to take it to another notch, then you're just going to go to already have an account, and then you're going to sign in and upgrade to pro level. Super easy, you guys. So make sure you click the link below, get your 30 days for free, and without further ado, let's get started. 3 ways you can come into this. 3 ways you can come into this, okay? What I've kind of been giving examples of is the agency model, but everybody may not want to run an agency and take on a bunch of clients. Totally fine. That is okay. Like I said, let's work harder. Let's work smarter this year, not harder. Let's work smarter this year, not harder. So the 3 main business models for SaaS. A is affiliate. A is affiliate. That is how personally I got introduced to this. I seen people talking about it, whatever. Again, it be so much going on the internet, y'all. I just be like, child, please bye. I just keep scrolling. But Go High Level actually reached out to me. They reached out to me for a brand partnership. So if a lot of you guys don't know, I do create content for different brands, the influencer thing, and I get paid to create content. So that's how I even okay, I'm not even going to say took it serious, because when they reached out to me, and this was last year, I had the meeting. Okay, we set up everything, cool. And I'm also under affiliate. So they pay me 1 monthly fee, and then I get affiliate for everybody who I share this with and they sign up. So for referring their product, you get 40% commission automatically. So if you just know people and you say, hey, sign up for this, and if they sign up, you get 40% commission. 40% commission, and that's every month. That's not a one-time thing. That is not a one-time thing. That is every month for as long as they stay on Go High Level. So if you wanted to do nothing else but just tell people about Go High Level, and that's it, that's all, and put your affiliate link out there. People, it's the same as TikTok Shop. The people that do TikTok Shop, that's just affiliate links. That's just, you're just sharing a product. The same with Amazon, LTK. It's the same thing. We're just doing it to tech. A lot of people understand the affiliate and content influencer model when it's beauty and clothes and fashion. You guys, there is a whole world out there. Tech, AI, automation, softwares. Guess what? They need influencers and content creators too, or just affiliate marketers. You don't even got to be a big influencer. They need it too, and they will pay you to promote their product. And what I've noticed is their commissions are typically higher, and they're easier to work with, okay? Because it's not you don't need the perfect lighting and be so beautiful, blah, 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 because this is tech. We're just talking about tech, okay? So if you want to do the affiliate model, you make 40% for just sharing Go High Level, period, point blank, okay? Period, point blank. So that's where I was at with it, right? Then the business opportunity came to me, and I'm like, cool. Now I can simply, based on my contract, post 1 time a month and do 1 webinar a month, and I'm done. I get paid. I don't have to do nothing else with this, right? But I was thinking as the year is progressing, one day I was just thinking about everything I have access to. Because, okay, this is another thing, you guys. A lot of us have things right in front of us that we already have access to, and you're not utilizing it. You're stressing yourself. You're looking for another job, a side hustle. Maybe you're like, oh, I'm a Uber, I'm gonna do this. And you already have access to stuff. The people that's here and showing up, I already know. I feel y'all vibe. Y'all probably done bought so many courses, so many ebooks, this coach, that coach, you on YouTube. If you just go on your email and see the stuff you got access to, you go on your computer, everything saved to your phone, you have access to so many business models and money. And that's where I was at. I'm not starting nothing new, but let's see what I can leverage that I already have access to make another $10,000, $20,000 a month, make another cushion in my income. That's what I did. So instead of running off starting something new, I'm like, what do I have access to? I know I'm the same way. I promise I'm not throwing shots at y'all. I am the same because I love to invest in myself and I love to learn. So yeah, I'm the same way. So that's why I started thinking and I thought about this partnership, you guys. I'm in partnership with Go High Level. My contract is for 6 months. And I'm like, okay, you telling me they got automations, they got AI, they got website, they got a calendar, they got email, they got freaking everything. Everything that I already do know how to do, but it's done for me. I was like, Dynasty, sell it, sell it. It's right there. It's for you, and on top of that, it's free. It's free. I don't have to pay anything. Literally, like when we say start a business with $0, you can start this with $0 for real, no play. I didn't have to pay anything, y'all. Day one. Most of y'all saw my video. I closed a $3,000 client day one. The exact amount was 3,333. 33333. The first day I decided that I'm gonna sell this software, I closed the client for $3,000. So that gets me into the agency model. The agency model. That is where you set up systems for clients and you charge a fee. Okay? That is what that is. So you charge a setup fee. I hope y'all are taking notes. The agency model is you charge a setup fee and then you also have a monthly fee. Now, you don't have to have a setup fee. That's up to you. But I do feel like when you take that time to onboard a client and you're building something new, you should have a setup fee. And then to maintain that, you have a monthly fee. So if they got any questions every month, just make sure everything is working good. Anything needs an update, they have a monthly fee. This is the thing. They're already paying the monthly fee for the same tools that's not working right. So give them something that actually works right. And they will be saving some coins because they don't have to have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different systems. They have one system and it's working really, really well. That is the agency model. Last but not least, in the middle here, we have the SaaS reseller model. What is this? Go High Level will allow you to literally sell their software under your name. So right now, if I wanted to have Coach by Dynasty Hub and I literally want to stop talking about Go High Level and I just say, y'all, this is my software, and I could set it up the same. I could set up my SaaS and have everybody go out and sell my stuff. Mm-hmm. And you could just provide the software to people. They can buy the software directly. So when they buy the software directly, you're not setting anything up. That's why I said it's options. If you don't want to deal with clients or anything like that, you could just find business owners that need the software and they will pay you. Think about it. Do Shopify help us design our website? No. When you get email marketing, MailChimp, Klaviyo, ConvertKit, do they help you? No, you just buy the software. So you can do the same thing. You can become your own software tech company. It's called white labeling. Go High Level will give you their software and you can put your name, your logo, and sell it as your own. So let's recap really quick because I want y'all to get this. The three income models. Affiliate. Affiliate is you are just sharing it. Hey, I love Go High Level, sign up, and you get 40% commission on everybody who sign up under you. Simple. Simple. I just got a commission today. Yay, chin chin. Somebody drop a money bag in the chat. Love that. That's affiliate. Okay, very simple. You're just sharing it. People sign up. If you go on YouTube, there's so many Go High Level affiliates, and it's so smart because YouTube is evergreen, is longevity. People can watch those videos from 10, 5, 20 years from now, and your link is there, and you will get paid when they sign up for you. Okay, that's the affiliate model. Agency model. Agency is when you set things up for the client. Okay, I am running an agency at this point. Well, I'm doing two models. Affiliate, naturally, because the brand ambassador thing, I'm getting paid to shout them out. And then agency model. Agency is when you set things up for a client and you charge a fee for that. So it will be your account, your Go High Level account, and you just basically share that account. Your clients will get their own account. It's called sub account. They have their own account and everything, and you will set things up for them and you charge them a fee. And then last but not least, you have a SaaS reseller model. This is white label. Okay. So this is where basically Go High Level say, here, take our software, and you could tell everybody it's yours. In lame terms. I want to put this in basic terms. You can have your own software company literally done for you. Literally, not play. What is the price? I know y'all like, okay, how much? Let's do it again. The three models, let's break it down. Affiliate, $97 a month. Of course, you got to start with your own account in order to tell anybody to make an account. So at the base level, I recommend this for anybody that even just needs this for themselves. If you need an all-in-one automation AI marketing hub, everything that I'm listing, booking calendar for your clients, websites, funnel, like literally everything, y'all. It's so crazy. They got everything. If you just want that for yourself and maybe help 2 or 3 people, or if you just want to be an affiliate, $97 a month. Anybody in this chat, tell me where you're getting all of that for $100 a month and you're able to make money. You get a 40% commission. You can't. The chat will be empty. Less than $100. It is really like a good deal. And I'm not saying that to sell y'all. As somebody who's been in business for so long, since I was 18 years old, I've been on these internet streets. Honestly, I be sitting back in my head like, how is Go High Level affording this? How are they affording to give us all of this at such a low price? It is literally insane. And I'm not just saying that like on some real stuff. I'm like, this is crazy. Less than $100, you can run your own business. The great thing about it, this one I said you can start for free. You get a 30-day free trial. You get a whole month. A whole month. A lot of people, I told you guys, the people that listen, the girls that get it, get it. I told y'all before the class, go ahead and start your trial. So therefore, you would know a little bit more about what I'm talking about. And you could have questions already ready. If something in the software confused you, if you didn't know where something was at, you could have already been checking it out. Also, like me, you could have got the software for free and booked your first client on day one. Pays for itself. Number two, so again, number one, starter. The starter is $97 a month. Number one is I recommend for affiliates. If you want to go the affiliate route or individual route. Number two, $297 a month agency. $297 a month agency route. Okay, you get everything that's in the starter, but you also get API access. What does that mean? You can integrate Go High Level with your other platforms. So if you got a client that's just emotionally attached to something, fine, cool, not gonna fight you on it. You can integrate it with Go High Level as well. You get unlimited sub accounts. If you got between 10 clients to 100 to 1,000, they do not cap you. All of your clients' accounts is included in your $297 a month. I don't think y'all are really understanding how crazy this is. $300 to run a whole agency. I just told you, I personally know a 21-year-old doing $50,000 a month. His overhead is $300. $297, less than $300. That is his overhead. Period. And why I say period is because typically I've been in digital marketing for a while. Again, we have so many different tools. I got 300 over here, 500 over here, 150. No, Go High Level is everything in one place. So when I say my only thing I have to pay is $297 a month and I can run my whole business, that is literally my only overhead outside if I'm doing paid marketing, ads, whatever. But all that just makes you money. That's investment. That's it. Like that. I don't think y'all know this opportunity. It is crazy. So that is your agency. And then 497 is SaaS. 497 is the reseller SaaS. Okay? 497 if you want to brand it as your own. One more time so y'all can see. 97 starter pack affiliate. 297 agency unlimited. 497 white labeling if you want to sell SaaS as your own. Okay? So again, what I want you to understand is you do get a free 30-day trial. I have a special link for you. If you randomly go to Go High Level right now, it's not 30 days, but they give me a 30-day free trial to give you guys. Okay? So you got 30 days to make whatever shake gonna shake. You got 30 days to figure this out. And that's literally how you are able to start this business model for free. So you have 30 days to figure this thing out. You got 30 days to see if you like it. That's a whole month. Nobody is giving y'all access to a 6-7 figure business that you could sell for thousands of dollars for 30 days for nothing. No, nobody is giving you that. And then, like I said, my goal is anybody that does decide to work with me in SaaS, my goal is you're closing your first clients in that 30 days. So you're really not losing out on nothing. By the time it rolls around and is ready for you to pay whichever level you're at, 97, 297, 497, you've already made 10 times that. That is my goal for you guys. That's my goal to teach you guys. To whatever you're going to do, whether it's affiliate, you make your money in the 30 days. You want to do an agency, you make your money in the first 30 days. Or if you want to resell and run your own software company, That is honestly everybody to-do list. I'm locking in for 30 days. I'm going to make my money with this. Let me start selling SaaS. That really should be your goal. That should be your goal. That literally should be your goal. Your only focus for 30 days. And if you can't give 30 days for that, then I don't know. Maybe not the call for you. I'm not even being funny. Because like I said, it is wild. Not just because I got a partnership with them, just my experience being an entrepreneur since I was 18. I've just never seen an offer like this. I really haven't. And like everything that they give you for the price is insane. It's insanity. Never seen it before. Okay. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it for you. And you know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe if you would love to learn more ways to make money online this year. Bye.